Eva from Maryberry Studio. Welcome back to another studio vlog. Thank you so much for joining me on another video. I've been receiving a lot of comments and a lot of messages on when I'll be posting my next studio vlog because it had been 3 weeks, I think. It has definitely been a while, and the truth is the end of May I ended up pushing all my responsibilities until the end of the month, and that final week of May I had to do something very big like every single day, so it just ended up being a lot and I really needed a break. Normally this is because of when I do my May plan with me, and it was also my first sponsored video, so I had to do a lot of back and forth with the brand with that, so that was a little stressful, but I hope that you guys liked my plan with me. I think it turned out super cute, and I'll leave it in the cards if you guys want to check it out. I also want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys because May was incredible with your support. I reached record high patrons that I've ever had, and I had so much berry mail to pack. It was insane. I had to have my boyfriend Jacob come help me. Thank you to Jacob. I appreciate it. I love you. I also received a lot of sticker orders over on my sticker shop, maryberrystudio.com. So I had a lot of orders to pack on top of it, and I am just immensely grateful for you guys. I'm so happy that you guys like my stickers and support my work, and it just really means a lot to me, and I want to say a big thank you for that. Another reason that I did not post a studio vlog or any video on YouTube or any post on my Instagram feed was because of the Black Lives Matter movement. I firmly believe in the movement and agree with what they are saying. I instead wanted to post on my Instagram stories about resources, places where you can get educated, petitions that you can sign, donation. I didn't want to post like my bullet journal, my stickers, because it has nothing to do with the movement, and it's more important to amplify the voices that are talking about the movement. If you want to learn more about the movement, I'm going to leave some resources down below in the description box. And even if you feel like you know everything about the movement, I encourage you to keep learning because there's always new information coming in, and being armored with knowledge is one of the best things that you can have and really helps you understand other people's point of view and what people are experiencing, and that's really important. So now that I kind of covered the previous weeks, I'm going to move into this week's studio vlog and what I've been working on, so let's go. So continuing my June bullet journal theme of froggies, I've been slowly filling in this weekly spread that has lots of lily pads on it. So I'm going ahead and filling in what I want to get done today, and I want to compile some starburst doodles that I made into a sticker sheet. I also want to finish stocking all my sticker sheets in bulk, that way I don't have to cut sticker sheets for a while because the Silhouette portrait cutting machine is quite noisy, so it can be really distracting when I'm trying to work, so I want to try to get it all done at once. I also want to finally test the amount of waterproofness that Online Labels waterproof vinyl paper has. And the last thing that I need to do today is I need to film a desk tour for my patrons over on Patreon. This video is going to be exclusive just for my patrons because we reached our very first goal on Patreon, and I'm rewarding them with the content they wanted to see, which was a desk tour. If you want to see my desk tour video as well as get lots of exclusive goodies like monthly printables and the berry mail sticker packs that I send out every month that I mentioned earlier, then be sure to check out my Patreon and join our little community over there. Okay friends, so here is the finished Starburst sticker sheet. If you notice, I have a little bit of white at the bottom, and the reason is because if I had the stars going all the way down, they didn't really align right at the bottom. They were kind of like janky, so if I cut this off, then they should align pretty okay. So this sheet is going to be a little bit shorter than my other sticker sheets, but it's not going to have less stickers, so different shape, around similar amount of stickers on it. I think it turned out good, and it was a huge pain in the butt to get the colors all correct and not have like neighboring colors next to each other. I'm gonna print it out in a bit, but I want to make the colors a little bit more bright. I want to make the colors a little bit more vibrant because once I print them out, they always turn out a little bit muted. So if I make them brighter here on the computer, then they normally print out the way that I want them to. So I just got a package in the mail a few moments ago, and I started opening it up because I thought that it was my printer ink that's supposed to come in, and I realized it was actually a package from Patreon. So I want to open it up on camera because I know it's a mug, but I saw some extra goodies in here, so let's see what is in here. Got this little thing right here. What is it? Let me see. I think it's chapstick that says Patreon on it. Let me open it up real quick. Oh, would you look at that? It's chapstick. Okay, that's cute. Okay. Oh, there's some stuff on the side. Oh, cute. Free pens. Yay. Always take some of that. Cool. Cute. I like them. I'm assuming it's black and blue ink. Ooh. Is that a felt tip? I'll have to play with this. Yep. Cute. Okay. I like it. It's got like a clay-like bottom. I don't know the correct wording, and then like this
oh, I don't know what you call it, like smoother, clay. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is cute. This looks really nice. So I got this mug because I was participating in a Patreon workshop, and if you left a question for the person hosting the workshop, they sent you a free mug, and I guess some other goodies as well. So thank you, Patreon.